Today we are going to introduce a really wonderful smart item for you all named ZigBee Smart Scene Switch. Follow me to check its powerful features right now. This is a wireless smart switch with no wiring needed. Now let's finish its simple installation. Push the panel to the left. Open the cover, then put the button battery in the battery slot. Press and hold reset button for 10 seconds. Get into pair mode.
Please pair devices into the gateway. The device is paired.
Now let's add intelligence by the scene switch. Each one button can be adapted up to 3 different scenarios. Single click to turn on the smart strip light. Double click to turn off the smart strip light. Single click to open all your house curtains under one smart scene you have created in app. No complex wiring and easily stick it anywhere you want. Smart your whole house with only one smart scene switch freely.